What else is in there? What is it?
Oh, cool, JJ. Oh, cool.
He's like, all right, I got all the clothes.
I don't open that car.
Oh, JJ, put your hat on. That's cute. Here. I can't. You got one more, dude.
There's another one.
One more, dude. You want to put it on?
Do that.
There.
Look here,
What does it say?
Good boy, then.
That's right.
You put the hat on?
Oh, show me your tea set. Show me your tea set. What did you get? Oh, what do you do with it? Can you make some tea? What? Can you find the cup? Can you give me a cup? Yeah, thank you. Can I have some? Take a drink.
Oh, JJ.
Cool.
What? Are you serious? Oh, awesome.
That's for my. That bill is for my bed.
Okay, sit down. Before you knock something else down that's breaking. There's something else in that box.
Oh, JJ, look. There's something else in the box. What is it?
Ooh, JJ, a game for your Moby Go. Whoa.
I don't open that.
Look, we don't have your Moby
I know you want to open everything.
Oh, I think you left it at Papa's house. I have to bring it over here. Come here, Delaney. I think she's
Can you
working on something
open
over
that,
there.
please?
Not yet.
Will you check?
Huh? Drink? Eat? We're going to eat? Okay. Give me something to eat. Okay.
Daddy, can
Here.
you open that?
Get one and we'll take a drink together. Oh, stir it up. All right. You want a drink? No? Okay.